Temaribet lamchi Temaribet lanta
ሄሎ ይህ ተማሪ ቤት ነው። በዛሬ ቪዲዮአችን የምናየው ስለ ሪላቲቭ ቬሎሲቲ ይሆናል። ይሄም ለምሳሌ በፍጣን መኪና እየሄድን የቆሙ ዛፎች በተቃራኒ ዳይሬክሽን እየሄዱ ይመስሉናል። ይሄንን መረዳት ወይም መገንዘብ የምንችለው በሪላቲቭ ቬሎሲቲ ይሆናል። Before defining the relative velocity, we must know what is motion is. This is one part of motion. As we know, motion is a continuous change of position. So there is a reference frame. Most of the time, we are taken a rigid object as a reference. But here, the two moving body should be observed one from the other one. So the relative velocity means two moving bodies, one should be observed from the other. Let's take these two different parts. Let's take this one as car A and this one as car B. So a person or an observer may place down car A and observed car B. Or the reverse, the observer may place or sat on car B and observed car A. This is the relative velocity. ይሄንን ማለት ሪላቲቭ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ከአንደኛው አንፃር ለምሳሌ ቁመት ሪላቲቭ ነው። ማን ረጅም ማን አጭር ብለን ማየት እንድንችል ለምሳሌ ይሄ ለሆነ ሰው ረጅም ይሆናል፣ ይሄ ለሆነ ሰው ረጅም ይሆናል። because ይሄ ረጅም የሚሆነው relative to this one፣ ይሄ አጭር የሚሆነው relative to this one። ይሄ ለዚህኛው ረጅም ነው because we must be think about the reference or the relative observation that matters relatively ነገሮችን እንድናይ ነው። እንቅስቃሴ ሲሆን ደግሞ አንደኛው ላይ ሆነን አንደኛውን ማየትና ሁለተኛው ላይ ሆነን አንደኛውን ማየት relative velocity ተብሎ ይታወቃል። አሁን how can we assure that the two moving body ሁለቱ ቦዲዎች በተመሳሳይ ዳይሬክሽን እየሄዱ ቢሆን ለምሳሌ እኛ በፈጣን መኪና ውስጥ ሆነን እየሄድን ነው ወደ ቀኝ ወይም ደግሞ forward, but there is a tree and any boards. እነዚህ ቦርድ ወይም ደግሞ ማስታወቂያ ቦታዎች ወይም ደግሞ ዛፍ ሊሆን ይችላል በተቃራኒ ዳይሬክሽን በፍጥነት እየሄዱ ይመስላሉ። ሪሊ ግን እነዚህ ዛፎች እየሄዱ ነው ወይ? እኛ ኦብዘርቭ የምናደርጋቸው ፈጣን መኪና ውስጥ ሆነን መሬት ላይ ያለው በፈጣን መኪና ውስጥ ሆኖ ያለውን እይታን ሪላቲቭ የምንለው። ስለዚህ ሁለት መኪናዎች ወይም ሁለት ትራክ በተመሳሳይ ዳይሬክሽን እየሆኑ ኤ ውስጥ ሆነን ቢን ማየትና ቢ ውስጥ ሆነን ኤን ማየት እንዴት አድርገን መግለጽ እንችላለን? በየትኛው ጊዜ their velocity should be zero. For instance, the velocity of car A as observed from car B is always equal to VA minus VB. VA, the velocity of car A minus velocity of car B. At this moment, we must be focused on their direction. ሁለቱ መኪናዎች በተመሳሳይ ዳይሬክሽን የሚሄዱ ከሆነ we are taking their difference wherever we sat, VBA, which is equal to VB minus VA. So, the two cars may move by 20 km per hour and 20 km per hour. Find the relative velocity of car A as observed from car B and car B as observed from car A. Let's substitute. The velocity of car A is 20 km per hour minus the velocity of car B is also 20 km per hour. their relative velocity should be 0. That's why ጎን ለጎን የሚሄድ መኪና ላይ ሆነን አንደኛውን ከአንደኛው መኪና አንፃር ብናየው እኛ at rest መስሎ የሚታየን we are appearing at rest. Let's reverse an observer place. If the velocity of car B as observed from car A, that the same expression we have because 20 km per hour minus that is the velocity of car B and the velocity of car A is also 20 km per hour. This is also 0. So wherever you sat or placed but the two moving body have the same magnitude and moves in the same direction, their relative velocity should be 0. That's why we are appearing as at rest. በዜሮ ቬሎሲቲ የሚሄድ የሚመስለን ወይም ደግሞ የቆምን መስሎ የሚታየን ለምንድን ነው? ተመሳሳይ ዳይሬክሽን ሙቭ እያደረጉ ስለሆነ ነው። If one may have a bigger velocity, let's take this one as 10 kilometer and 20 kilometer. The velocity of car A as observed from car B mean velocity A minus velocity of B. The velocity of car A is 20 kilometer per hour. The second or the velocity of car B is 10 kilometer per hour. Their relative velocity is 10 kilometer per hour, which means an observer that placed on car A and observed car B that the positive 10 kilometer per hour means that moves in forward direction. But let's reverse the observer. The velocity of car B as observed from car A, which is equal to velocity B minus velocity of A. So let's substitute 10 kilometer per hour minus 20 kilometer per hour, which is equal to negative of 10 kilometer per hour. What does it mean? What this negative sign tells us? And the first one is positive 10. What minus sign tells? The person that sat on 20 kilometer per hour or car A and observed car B, he is appearing that moves backward in 10 kilometer per hour. That's why the minus sign indicates or tells us. So that relative velocity mean the two velocity that moves whether in two direction or in different direction. So we have seen the two car that moves on the same direction. What will be happen? One may moves in different direction. ይህን ለመረዳት ደግሞ እኛ መኪና ውስጥ ሆነን ከፊት ለፊት የሚመጣ መኪና ልክ አጠገባችን ሲደርስ ፍጥነቱ ይጨምራል ወይስ ፍጥነቱ ይቀንሳል? በተመሳሳይ way, let's change the direction. Car B maybe moves by 10 kilometer per hour in the left direction, but car A that moves by 20 kilometer per hour to the right direction. So how can we get the relative velocity? By the relative velocity at this instant, the velocity of car A as observed from car B, which is equal to velocity of A minus of velocity of B. Why this minus sign? We are using car B is moves to the left direction in opposite direction of car A or a car that have a magnitude of 20 kilometer per hour to the right direction. So it is possible to use the arithmetic sum or the sum of these two, the velocity of car A plus velocity of car B. So we have a car A that have 20 kilometer per hour, that is 20 kilometer per hour plus the velocity of car B that moves in opposite direction by 10 kilometer. That's why 10 kilometer per hour. Their sum should be 30 kilometer per hour. What the difference? The first case is 0, 0, and the second case is that is 10 kilometer per hour and minus 10 kilometer per hour. Now, the two cars that moves in different direction, they have get the maximum speed that is 30 kilometer per hour. Why? ለምንድን ነው ይሄ 30 ኪሎ ሜትር የሆነው? ሲተላለፉ ሁለቱ መኪናዎች at some point ሲተላለፉ የሚኖራቸው ቬሎሲቲ ድምር ስለሚሆን ነው። በተመሳሳይ the velocity of car B, this is the velocity of car A as observed from car B. What will be happen the velocity of car B as observed from car A? The velocity of car B as observed from car A, there are different answer that gives us. Let's see it. The velocity of car B minus of velocity of car A. And the velocity of car B A, which is equal to the velocity VB plus VA. VB is 10 kilometer per hour plus that is 20 kilometer per hour. This is 30 kilometer per hour. Wherever you sat, your relative velocity, the relative velocity of the two cars is the same. Like that of what we have seen in our previous example, which is the two moving body moves in the same direction, their relative velocity is 0. But here, the two moving body that moves in different direction, their relative velocity is also the same, wherever the observer is placed. This is all about what we have. Now, let's go through our example part. What the question states, when two cars move in the same direction, that moves in the same direction, you must be giving an attention for the same direction, but with different velocity. Their velocity is varied, and car A have this much kilometer, which is 90 kilometer per hour, and car B is 30 kilometer per hour. Find the relative velocity of car A as observed from car B or with respect to car B. So we have velocity of car A is 90 kilometer per hour and velocity of car B, which is equal to 30 kilometer per hour. This is our given. What's our required? Required the relative velocity of car A as observed from B, VAB, which is equal to solution. How can we solve this one? Velocity of A as observed from A, B, always equal to the velocity of car A plus the velocity of car B minus velocity of car B. Because the two cars that moves in the same direction, we are taking their difference. But the two cars that moves in different direction, we are taking the sum of the two velocities. So the velocity of car A as observed from car B, which is equal to velocity of A is 90 kilometer per hour minus velocity of car B is 30 kilometer per hour. The resultant should be 60 kilometer per hour. This is the final answer for this. If the observer may changing the position, which is find the relative velocity of car B with respect to car A or with respect to car A, the answer will become negative. That negative trying to show us it appears that moves in different direction of an observer, that sat. Now let's go through our exercise part. David moves to the north with 15 kilometer per hour and his friend moves 25 kilometer per hour south. Find the relative velocity of David with respect to his friend. his friend that moves in the south direction, and David, he moves up. So our given is velocity of David is equal to 50 kilometer per hour. Subscript D stands for David, and the velocity of his friend, let's represent by H, that is velocity of his friend, David's friend, which is 25 kilometer per hour. Find the velocity of David with respect to his friend. Required, that is velocity of David with respect to his friend, which is velocity of David. If the two, David and his friend, that moves in different directions, simply we can take the sum. So the relative velocity of David is observed from this one, that velocity of David is 50 kilometer per hour, plus his friend, that is 25 kilometer per hour, which is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. ይህን ይመስላል የዳዊት ከጓደኛው አንፃር ያለው ቬሎሲቲ 40 ኪሎ ሜትር ፐር አወር ይሆናል። የዳዊት ጓደኛ ከዳዊት አንፃርም ቢሆን ተመሳሳይ ነው የሚሆነው፣ ምክንያቱም በተቃራኒ ዳይሬክሽን የሚሄዱ ከሆነ ሰማቸው ስለሚሆን ማለት ነው። ይሄን ይመስላል። Let's recap what we have seen in our today's lesson, that is relative velocity. Relative velocity, the velocity of one object as observed from the other one. If the two moving body is trying to move on the same direction, simply we can take their difference and that have a direction difference, whether an observer that's placed on A and B, and if it reverse it, its sign should be changed. If the two moving body that moves in different direction, we can take the arithmetic sum or the sum of the two velocity wherever the observer is placed, whether A or B, there is no sign difference. ተማሪዎች ከዚህ ቪዲዮ የተለየ ነገር እንዳገኛችሁ ተስፋ አድርጋለሁ። ሐሳብ አስተያየት ካላችሁ የተማሪ ቤት የፌስቡክ፣ የቴሌግራም፣ የቲክቶክ እና የዩቲዩብ ቻናሎች ላይ ሐሳብ አስተያየታችሁን አስቀምጡ።